Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I will show you a project, how to make a emergency SOS project. So if I press this push button for 2 seconds, it will automatically trigger a call to registered number, and also we can able to capture the surrounding audio. Let me demonstrate the project. So I need to press this for 2 seconds in emergency case. As you can see, just now a message came telling emergency, please help me immediately. So we can assign to a number which where that call and message will happen. So here we can see automated call also came. If I receive hello, hello,
As we can see, it's echoing as both mics are nearby.
hello, hello, I can disconnect the call also. So as we can see, the surrounding audio also like able to capture by this microphone. So this will make to the person who getting like being kidnapped using the surrounding audio. So if you have visited to my channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe. It will be encouraged more to make videos, and also the source code and circuit diagrams for this video will be open source. I will be giving it for the free. And if you have if you wanted to purchase this project, please do contact to the number which have been provided in the description down below. And without any further ado, let's quickly get started with this video.
So for this project, we need a Arduino UNO, SIM800L, single cell battery holder, a 18650 battery, a breadboard, a push button, a couple of jumper wires. Make sure you are using a Airtel SIM. You should not use any Jio SIM for this project. Non-Jio numbers like Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL will work for this project. And also make sure you have this SIM micro to mini converter. And also I forgot to mention, you should have a mic also. You can just connect it to any pin to mic positive and mic negative. It's fine. So using this mic or microphone, we can able to hear the surrounding audios. And also we need to power off the GSM 800L using a external 3.7 volt battery. I have connected the battery holder, so positive and negatives are connected. And you have to insert the SIM like this way. Make sure you are inserting the SIM like this way only, or else it will not work. And also make sure you are using a fully charged 3.7 volt battery so that the SIM800L module will work. Initially, the indicator of SIM800L module will continuously blinks. After some times, the continuous blink will have a break of 2 to 3 seconds. As we can see, the LED blinking is not continuous. There is a 2 to 3 seconds of time delay, and this means now it can able to communicate for the calls and messages. And for testing purpose, we can call to that SIM which is inserted into SIM800L module. It should ring, but it should not tell out of network coverage area, or else it's switched off. Okay,
Make sure to power up your SIM800L module using a extra 3.7 volt battery. Uh, do not try to power up the SIM800L module using this 3.7 volt a 3.7 volt pin which is available in the Arduino board. You need to use extra 3.7 volt battery so that it will work. Okay, the connection is very simple. So we need to take one ground, and so this is push button which have 4 legs. So we have to choose any 2 legs. Okay, one will be go to ground and one will be go to 6. Okay, we can change according to our need in the code. And TX RX will be connected to 11 and 10. So I will be dropping the connections details also. Let's move to our coding part.
so this is the code that we need to upload into our Arduino board. So here in line number 7, we need to change the number that we wanted to send messages. We can change the pin number of push button also. So after all this, we need to go to tools and select the board and port also, and click on upload. First the code will get compiled and after that it will automatically upload it into our Arduino board.
I'm testing our project again. As you can see, the message came. And call also came. Hello, hello, hello. So I hope you like this video, then do hit that like button and also subscribe for more such videos. And if you wanted to purchase this project, please do contact to the number which have been provided in the description down below. And I will see you in the next one.